Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter this backup option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this whole Google account section. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply pick it from the list and then assign the backup to it. If not, you have to go through the whole operation of adding it. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address. Just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. We've got it. Let me check. Yes, everything is okay, so let me tap on next. Hello. All right. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can also tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And here we've got another backup section, so basically you can check how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. You've got the backup details, so you can always check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and your device will right now back up all of the data. Of course, you will have to confirm it with your pattern, PIN, or password, and we've got this information, so we can finish everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.